Hello students, I hope that you're still doing well during this time and that you're having a good spring break. So speaking of spring break, now that we're almost done, we have the essay to turn in. Now I've noticed that a lot of people have turned this in already on turnitin.com, but the main thing I want to do is make sure that you understand how to turn it in correctly. So let's take a look at Google Classroom, make sure we open up the right document, then I'll show you how to do it on turnitin.com as well. So first of all, just know that the document on Classroom tells you everything that you need to know. So first let's take a look at what document that we need to actually look at. So let's go to Shutdown Weeks 1 through 2 assignments. Then you'll notice, of course, we have student work for the checklist, but now you'll notice we have clutter to submit to turn it in. So let's click on that, open that up. So this has a set of directions of what to do to turn it in if you don't remember yet. So first we have go to turnitin.com. So pretty simple, let's just type in turnitin.com. That's all you need to do. Now, what you're going to need to do, okay, so on my screen, I have something covering up the login button, but you're going to click on the login button, and I don't know why it's not letting me move this out of the way, but oh well. So what you'll do is sign in with the information that you created. So what that means is your ID number at sangerusd.net for your email. That's your username. Now, what you'll do for your password is put in the password that you already created. Now, if you don't remember that password, do not fear. So if you already have an account but you don't remember to sign in, do not create a new account, please. Okay, so you see here, forgot your password. Click here. Need more help? Click here. So I know it's small, it's hard to see, but click here. Then it says, what's your email address? So once again, it's your ID number at sangerusd.net. Then your last name or family name. So the only problem I've had when doing this is when students have had multiple different last names and they don't remember which one they used. So what I would suggest is just put every single last name that you've had until it works. And if for some reason it doesn't, then we need to take a different step. So let me just put in my email address and see what we have here. And we put clutter, boom. Okay, then you have a secret question that you have to answer. So if you don't remember the secret answer or the secret question, then we have another step that we need to take because of that. So let's see, did I put my best friend's last name on here? Let's see that. See, even I don't fully remember. Use reset password, here you go. So you put in a new password. Once you do that, write it down. Please do not just put it in and not write it down. Because I've had quite a few students do that, and then the next essay, they go, oh, well, I forgot that password. It's because he didn't write it down. So make sure that you write it down. So write it down, and what I would suggest is, even if you just do it on a sticky note, put it on your binder or put it in your folder for my class. Make sure you put it in the front so that you don't forget where it is. So I'm going to click out of that now that we know what to do there. Let's go back to the document. So if you absolutely cannot remember your password, or you don't remember your family name, those don't work, or if you forgot your secret question, then create a new account. So if you just forget your password, don't jump to resetting your password. Don't jump to creating a new account. You'll want to try to reset your password before creating a new account. Now, once you do that, you will enter class ID and enrollment key. So go down to the bottom here, you have each period. So if you're period 1, this is your information. If you're period 2, this is your information. Period 3, period 5, and so on. Now, one thing I just noticed that I'm actually going to fix right on the spot is, for some reason, it's period 4, not period 5 on this one, so let me fix that. It's period 5, then period 6 for the enrollment keys. Okay. Now, so that's about it, but you notice there's a lot more still on the page. Let's read that. So click on the option that says Gatsby Performance Task, then click the blue button that says Submit. I would show you this on my screen, but because I don't have someone's student login, I can't. Be sure to submit, be sure that next to Submit Paper, it says Single File, Upload. Fill in your first and last name and title submission, last name, first name, rough draft. Click on Choose from Google Drive. So you don't need to choose it from the computer because likely you've done this on Google Docs, not Microsoft Word. But if you have done Microsoft Word, make sure you choose from your computer. So if you've done Google Docs, click on Choose from Google Drive. You should be able to quickly find your Gatsby performance task in the pop-up window, especially because you were more than likely just working on it. If you weren't just working on it, if you finished it a while ago, then what I would do is open up Google Docs with the essay, and then that way it's the most recent thing. So that way when you do Google Drive to upload it, it'll be right there. Okay, so your Turnitin must be linked to a different Google Drive account. You will need to share from your school one to the Google account that you use to create this Turnitin account. Okay. Turnitin will then show you your paper in a little window. Make sure that it has the right amount of pages. So it's happened in the past to me where I clicked on my essay and for some reason it didn't show up right in the screen on Turnitin. So make sure it does. If it doesn't, then just see if you clicked on the wrong document or send me a remind message letting me know and I'll have you email it to me so that way I know you turned it in on time. Okay. If done correctly, Turnitin will tell you, congratulations, your submission is complete. Woo! If you don't see this, please confirm that you did step 8. If you don't see it, please email me or reach out to me via Remind and I will assist you. And you will also be able to email it to me if nothing works so that way I have your essay on time. So basically, no excuses. And what that means is, if you've done the essay, please watch this video, turn it in on time. Any questions, please make sure to still send me a Remind, Google Classroom comment, or email. Thank you.